Caitlin, and welcome to part 1 of trying to make Halloween costumes out of stuff I already own at home. I think that's too long of a title, but we're just gonna go with it because, as always, I have not thought of a better option. Halloween 2020 is gonna be a little bit different this year. No costume parties, no trick-or-treating, not a lot of stuff going on, and I think the important part, though, is to still celebrate in the way that you want, just at home. I put together a few costumes based on things I already owned, didn't spend anything for this activity, and I hope it encourages you to do the same. Why not just take a different approach in general? I've taken some liberties with some colors and textures. I'm working with what I've got. Watch out for part 2 of this video next week, which is Halloween weekend. So we'll wrap up the Halloween season with one last costume video. If you dress up at home and make a costume out of items that you already own in your closet, feel free to tag me with My Tech Halloween and Halloween at Home. I cannot wait to see what you come up with. Welcome to the messy guest room, aka staging area for all of these outfits. First up, I think we'll go with one of the outfits that doesn't require a lot of makeup or hair. So let's see. Maybe this one. Excuse me. Have you been there the whole time? First is this. I know you may be thinking, Caitlin, I have no idea what this is, and I'm pretty sure that's how you already dress. Well, yes, it's true, and that's because I model a lot of my style after the very, very famous and very stylish Harry Styles himself. This outfit is based on an outfit I saw him wear in quarantine, and I think he was at a winery in Italy, which is why I have this. He has aviators, like yellow aviators in this, which I don't have, so I supplemented my blue heart glasses, which I think he would approve of. He's just like, he's so proud. He's so proud of his new wine, which I am often very proud of my new wine, so. First up, Harry Styles in quarantine. If you want to have a really easy costume at home, just look up photos of your favorite celebrities in quarantine and just be that. Insert name here in quarantine is going to be probably a very popular costume this year, so I don't think anyone does it better than Harry Styles though, so here I am. I think I would, I don't know, I would wear this all day if I wasn't shooting more of this video, to be honest. I might change back into this later. And what costume isn't complete without a little bit of wine, am I right? Where am I? Alright, I want to be clear here that I would have put way more effort into this Arthur costume. Would it have been seen... grammar? That's not right. I would have put way more effort into this Arthur costume if it was going to be seen by real live people and not just internet people. I've actually wanted to be Arthur for a long time. I bought these glasses. They're just regular sort of clear glass because I like them, but also because I thought they would make me look more like Arthur. So this is sort of a bit of wish fulfillment here. Oh, I'm sorry, am I boring you? All you need to be Arthur Reed is literally a white collared shirt of any kind, a yellow sweater or shirt, pair of jeans, this is the same pair of jeans from the Harry Styles costume, and a red pair of shoes of any kind. I'm lucky and I have these red Converse, but you could use red flats, you could use anything that has red in it. And then okay, so I cut these aardvark ears out of cardboard, and I don't know if you can see this, but I affixed them to my head with some Scotch tape and barrettes, hair clips. Ordinarily, what I would have done is probably go buy a cheap 50-cent hard headband and attach it, but because this is spend no money and take very little time, I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna DIY it, and I think if I were to spend a little more time on this, it would look a little bit better, but this is my on a budget, very quick and snappy Arthur Reed. What would be really fun actually is if your family, for example, if there are a few of you in the house, or even with your friends, maybe on Zoom for Halloween this year. These glasses were cute and expensive, but you can order a pair of like Harry Potter glasses pretty inexpensively, and you can find them in stores too. But again, working with what we have today, and this is what we have. I'm going to attempt to take these off. Ow! Ow! See? Easy. Much DIY. Professional. Ooh. Next. This. All right, I had a little bit of trouble with this. How do I do this? Ugh. Okay, this is an old kind of, I don't know, pirate belt I had from when I was Jack Sparrow one year, and I still don't know how it's supposed to work. This is an old pirate shirt I got from Value Village, I think, a while ago. You may look at this look and be like, oh, she's trying to be a pirate. Like, cool. The inspiration for this look actually was supposed to be Alexander Hamilton. I tried, I really tried. That's a lie. I guess I didn't try that hard. I had an idea, but all of the colors were off. It's basically supposed to be old Hamilton. You know, when he's wearing all the blousy pirate tops and he's got a vest. I also forgot the vest. And he's got the glasses. Oh, I also forgot the glasses. But then I thought, ooh, I have a tricorn hat. Maybe it could be young Hamilton. I think what I just ended up doing instead was pirate. Like really low budget pirate. So if you want to be a low budget pirate, all you need is like a frilly top. It doesn't have to be a real pirate top. And then just blouse your pants inside a cool pair of tall boots, and then just, I don't know, wrap a belt around your whole body, and then you're good to go. You might want to market yourself as low budget pirate though, because if people saw you, I mean, might as well get ahead of the criticism, am I right? Do I look like a founding father or a swashbuckler? You decide. Next up, I'm the man in the yellow hat from Curious George. I have a lot of yellow in my wardrobe, so I thought, I mean, why the heck not? Are they varying shades of yellow? Is it the wrong type of hat? Yes, but the shoes are pretty good. So there's that. I think it's just really fun to dress up as characters from kids shows that I used to watch. Curious George is a character that I love, but of course, I mean, I don't have a monkey costume lying around. Be a good little monkey. This is my Curious George. Curious Lucy. Okay. Can you still tell I steamed this shirt before this video? Me neither. Next is this. I know what you're thinking. Caitlin, have you already given up on this video? I mean, no. This is me in high school. I think dressing up as a version of your younger self is a hilarious idea for this Halloween, especially since, if you were like me, you dressed in almost exclusively comfy clothes back in the day. These are clothes I actually had in high school. If you have anything from high school, definitely put it back on if you want, or find a similar version of it. These are my high school track pants. You know, the ones where you'd roll up. Do you remember? You'd always buy them too big, and then you'd kind of roll them up, and then they have dumb stuff on the butt, like the name of your mascot. This sweater is from Costco because my sweaters were exclusively from Costco back in the day. I think this is just a really silly, comfy way to just get back in touch with with your younger self. Maybe try to find a very specific photo to replicate. I went for more of an homage to my past self, but maybe you can recreate a childhood photo, you can recreate a high school photo. This is something, again, that's really fun to do with your family. So if you have a family photo that you want to recreate for Halloween, you can go as yourselves. We're in Cozy Town this year, am I right? Who is obsessed with the thumb holes? And that is it for part 1 of this Halloween at home outfit ideas video. Please stay tuned for part 2 next week because there are some really exciting ones in there. A lot of pop culture, one pun. I allow one Halloween pun costume per video because I'm not a fan of the Halloween pun, but this one's pretty good, if I do say so myself. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back at you next week with more of these really just silly costume ideas. And I hope it does inspire you to check out your closet, see what you could do for this Halloween. Don't forget to hashtag MyTechHalloween and Halloween at Home. Do you guys remember that episode of Arthur where DW breaks his model plane and he just straight up like socks her in the arm? That was the most shocking episode of Arthur that I think I've ever seen. Because as a kid I was like, ooh, damn, he really hit her. It's not an aardvark, it's me. You know, you gotta get your right hand man back. I know you gotta put some thought into the letter, but the sooner the better to get your right hand man back. Alexander Hamilton. Cha-cha, cha-cha.